Hi, hi. Give us a little bit of time to reset our brain and look away from a screen with flashing images, because yeah, you guys made us fight for that win. So you guys have a good moment to take a break yourselves, grab some water, go use the banyo. We'll be starting in a moment. Artie's prepping Shadow, and I will be doing kobolds. Doing kobold art. So whether you like little lizards or angry hedgehogs, you'll have a fun time. Hello, 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 everybody. How are you guys doing today? We've got Shadow on the left of me, Art to the right. I'm alive.
Yeah,
We lived.
that's what we're doing.
We kind of lived.
Kinda?
Kind of.
Kinda?
A little bit.
A little bit. I mean, we're here. We're surviving.
For the most part. That was fun. I can't wait to do that again tomorrow.
I can't wait for tomorrow. Yeah,
Oh my
tomorrow's
god.
Gonna be great.
No, like, also we were missing a bunch of stuff, so I'm really interested to try the new items out, too.
Yeah.
Ow,
Like,
wow.
scenarios like that, we still had like 500 items that were not found, so there was quite a bit.
Oh, yeah. Should be a fun time. So,
Alright.
if you guys head on over to Azure Artie's stream, we are in a stream together, so you should be able to click on over there and see the Shadow the Hedgehog, and he'll have your direct Shadow the audio. I need to study Cobalt, so chat, I need lizards.
Lizards. Why are you
Lizards.
saying lizards? They're not lizards.
I need
They're
reptiles.
They are not lizard.
I
I'm
need...
a solitary android.
That's...
68.
You got 68. Damn, one away from greatness. You know, the one time we do get Route 69, we're only allowed to say nice.
So this is evil, good, neutral, neutral, evil, good.
Huh.
Hey. Alright, we're going. Might as well jump right into it. I got enough of these I gotta do. That's you.
So, for those of you who don't know, or are new here, I'm an aspiring artist. I only started about 4 or 5 years ago, I guess, doing art, and when I started with nothing. Barely any skill to my name, and barely any time or dedication to trying to make art. It is now day 1671, I think. And I consider myself an artist at this point, but there's still a lot of weaknesses I have and a lot of things that I need to improve on. And every August, because I always lean towards drawing my Abra a lot, I specifically do no Abra August to prevent myself from constantly just drawing one damn thing. So this no Abra August, I am working on the one thing I am, one of the things I know I'm not good at. I know I love Abra, but I don't need to draw Abra constantly. But it is working on kobolds. Not lizards. Reptiles. Okay, if a kobold's not a lizard, is a dragon a lizard?
No.
Okay.
Have you never heard Mushu?
No, actually, I never watched Mulan.
Dragon, not lizard. I don't do that tongue thing.
Oh, that's where that bit's from.
Yes.
I see, I see. The other person is super quiet compared to me? Let me see if I can turn them up.
I am quiet. Oh no.
You shouldn't be.
How
Why?
can you not hear me? How dare you?
Why are you quiet? You're like jacked up
Why
on
am
my
I quiet?
You're like jacked up on my side. I don't know why you're actually quiet. Is it because stream itself is quiet? Try
Good
now.
question. Hi, how are you? I am talking. Am I louder now? Please let me know, because if not, I will yell louder.
Do you still do Cobblemon or is it died? Loud music now. Okay. Cobblemon server should still be up. If you're in the Discord, you know, you know. Dragons are lizards in denial, not to be confused with crocodiles, which are lizards in the Nile. Uh-huh.
Debatable.
I don't think you could debate that there's crocodiles in the Nile.
No, not that part.
Oh.
Ow. Just got shot in the face. Trying to make sure I'm not missing anybody because I don't want to fucking have to go back.
But yeah, I'm gonna probably pull up some tutorials, but this is my little warm-up right here.
I don't think there's 4 guys. I think I missed somebody. Dang it. Who did I miss? Oh, I think I know who I missed. Oh, alright.
Wonder how long it'll take it to notice, chat.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I'm not a lizard.
Uh-huh.
Why do you keep calling me that?
It's funny. It amuses my small
you look
mammal
funny.
brain. What?
I'll make you look funny.
Oh?
Missed 2.
Apparently, I've been a mod for 1 year and 6 months in your channel.
I'm surprised that's it.
Yeah, wait a minute. Like, we've been in a relationship for longer than that. What do you mean? Did you, like, remove my mod for a bit or something?
That's possible.
Oh, if you gave me a 1-second timeout, that removes any moderation or VIP status, so that probably was it.
Okay, I don't remember, but it's very possible.
Mm-hmm. One of those, like, and then you pull the Dom card out.
Did I miss a single guard? I hate missing 1 guard. Was it earlier in the stage, really?
Huh?
Not those 2. Gonna have to do evil on this one in a while.
Yeah.
Got those 2 up there. What the heck is this guy at?
My touchpad inputs keyboard commands, even when I put it down slightly for some reason. I don't know why, but every time I shake it, it makes symbols like this happen, and if I don't catch it, it looks like that. Yeah, I make boxes for some reason, because this P-dial is too sensitive. I need to look up Cobalt tutorials and start building out face shapes. We did this like a year and a half ago, and I barely got any of it like in before I was like, I have other things I need to do. See, this is the one that I always see. Is this series of tutorials here?
How did I miss that one? Alright, whatever. Where's the redeem to make already play shit? Wait a second.
Wait a minute.
Good bit, good bit.
Mm-hmm.
I deserve a D on that one. I'm so mad I'm going good next round.
Wow, I can't believe it.
Yep. Game pissed me off.
Crazy how that happens. You made me mad. I'm so upset. I'm gonna scream.
Digital circuit good. I think it's activate all the beacons.
I did this Cobalt.
Just get out. One of the two.
This Cobalt has so many knives.
Just get out. That's my favorite.
No, stop moving the window there.
I hate when they do stuff like this. The game all about going fast, and then you make pillars divide or make you wait. Hi, Rouge.
Pat the face. Okay, we've got some screen real estate figured out for ourselves. That'll work. So, Cobalt head, draw a circle, with lines essentially represent eyes should be centered on the center lines. Box from those lines. And finish out the jaw. So something like that. Let's study the shapes. Why does this work? Why does this work?
Oh, dude.
Oh, dude.
How do?
I'm trying to figure out kobold shapes. Based off this tutorial I've seen 1,000 other places, I might as well just take the time to actually learn how the construction of a face works on these lizards.
I mean, doesn't hurt to look.
True. Does make a fairly good kobold, all things considered. How can I make this thing more me, though? Like, I get the general idea of, like, the head shapes and whatnot. It makes a pretty good kobold, all things considered, with this process. And a lot of what this original tutorial taught me is a lot of how I do my base structuring, like spear on top of a cylinder, on top of a box, build the shoulders out. And you kind of build the triangle out, you know. Ugh. I think the horns maybe need to be a little bit more spaced out. Kobolds are important to the furry ecosystem. They serve as the natural antithesis to dragons' dominance. They're just little guys. Just a little guy. The massive fuck-all pickaxe. A fist would be like that, which means that a finger would... The thing is, with your fingers, the longer ones will have more opportunity to bend around the object that you're gripping, because they'll be able to do their points where the knuckles bend further along the rotation of the object. So if you're grabbing something, your shorter fingers will be even more short. That's just how your hand works. Arm tutorial. Draw the hands from the line from shoulder to the waist from the midpoint. Did you win?
Yes.
Good.
Quickly.
A very interesting little kobold design. Just a little guy. Try again with something new. And keep experimenting until we continue to kind of make something that, like... And I gotta keep practicing it until I don't need the tutorials at my side and I can kind of make it my own. That's welcome to art. You have to do your homework. Like any skill, you gotta practice. Can't just be good at it. That'd be incredibly dangerous. You could just be good at any skill just by picking it up. Everybody does practices their own way. Guess in a way you're practicing Shadow. Is Abra your favorite Pokemon? Yeah, actually, if you type !Abra in chat, it'll give you a Google Doc as to why Abra is so important to me. Like, experiences in my life and my whole transitioning process. It's a little old. Like, it was written like 10 years ago originally. So I do apologize if any of my references are dated. My language is internet from 10 years ago. I've not actually seen that doc in like 4 or 5 years to check it over to see what the language is on it. Gonna boot me on the nose? Alright. I do not hear you if you are saying anything, sir.
It was not?
Okay. I thought I heard a noise in the other... Hey, A-Rank! I'm actually curious what your A-Rank count is at this point.
We can check after this run.
Alright, I'm down. Because you've been getting A ranks in places. Like, you ain't no slouch. But it also does mean when we do see the few ones that you do have left, you'd immediately be like, alright, focus up time. Do you listen to the YouTube channel Suffolk on High Music Video Games before? Of course. Everyone knows. We Are Number One, Granddad, all the various Megalovania rips that they've done. They're legends. Time for you to prep for Savage Raid. You have a good evening since then. What happened if someone hire Kobold to stare at you? I'd live a better life. Then again, I live with 2 Kobolds. They are my girlfriend and boyfriend. They're various Sonas. I will eventually live with a 3rd Kobold, even though she is a Durg.
Yeah. I mean, she has Cobalt.
True. She has a few Kobolds, I think. Not just Akrazia. Don't worry. She's got clothes on, chat. But might as well try and use these actual tutorials to try to build out Layla properly, because she's one I've always had an interesting time trying to draw. And I should practice her more.
A 12-second boss fight.
Let's do Link tutorial, okay? That actually slaps. It's actually making pretty decent legs.
lag.
Yeah. I feel like refine them a hell of a lot, but you know, it is what it is. You have to figure it out. The whole point of why we do this process is to learn. Alright, I will save. Give me a moment. Thank you, friends. Yeah, today is 1673. Hi, Kev. Yes, Artie, this is the same exact pose from Layla's ref on the... just from a different perspective.
Yeah, I kind of figured that. That's what it looked like.
Yeah.
Now it's almost like she went to a show and she was like taking pictures. And... You're enabling the girl.
Of course I must. She's Aberdeen's girlfriend / wife. I need to. You're already on the final level of that route. How long have we been live?
Yep. Not long.
Like it's been definitely less than an hour, so you've been trucking. No,
This
I
was
knew.
an easy route. It had a lot of neutrals.
I guess. Still, you're learning the game, so you're gonna be very fast at it by the time it's all. How did you not hit that mine?
But I hit the tentacle.
Uh-huh. This game's ridiculous.
I don't know.
Is this what route is this for ending? Just neutral?
Good. But it's like neutral overall.
Okay. So this is just get to the end.
Yep.
Yeah, because I looked down and I'm like, I've been drawing a Cobalt for a little bit. You know, I wonder how far he's into his... He's almost done. Okay.
All right.
I played this game a few times, Abby.
Uh-huh.
Thank you for the pats.
To figure out how to make it so it looks a lot more like her leg is like coming out from behind the outfit. It's one of those things. bard belly dancer.
Yes. Belly dancing is only one of the things she does, but it's one of her favorites.
The good thing is, with her after images and her summoned instruments and everything, she could be the band for herself. Which she has
Yes.
done multiple times.
Yes. And will continue to do.
Yeah, getting the arms to look good is another thing that's a bit difficult to make sure to get down right. I can undeconstruct the shoulders a bit to make them more natural. Get rid of all these supporting lines and actually know what the shape of the thing is.
Wasn't even close to that thing. Alright, that one I might have ran right into.
Uh-huh. Fix her fingers, her hands.
This is still a really long stage.
Yeah, thumbs are always
I'm literally at the end though. That's an 8 minutes. Hopefully that's an A.
Now we'll know if you even need to get an A in a moment.
Can't get an A now to where I don't even have to worry about if I needed it or not. That's my thought. C. Yeah. Which means I probably have not gotten an A on that one. Because you gotta destroy a lot of aliens, I feel, in that one, because time doesn't really matter too much. You're not getting a good time score no matter what.
It's a longer stage, so you might as well take the time to destroy all aliens.
Gambling!
Dr. Eggman's here to stop the alien invasion. No, he's actually here to make it worse. Thumb would be like position like that, actually. Ah, yes, and Layla's big fuck-off tail.
Yes.
Which
Trademark.
Dr. Eggman's here to do his best. You're gonna wish he read the script? Yeah, no, he won't. Never did, never will.
He's dead.
Are we gonna kill him this timeline, or are we gonna just leave him there?
I don't know. You want to find out?
I guess.
Forgot. Should wait to do the wheel till we find out. I had it at the ready, though.
I am Shadow the Hedgehog. I am the ultimate edgelord, and I'm only going to do what I want.
He's dead.
I like how in the good endings he takes out Eggman, but in the bad endings he keeps Eggman alive. What a backwards game.
Yeah. It does that a lot. Anyway, wheel.
Wheel. Also ranks.
Six. Apology of Darkness. Apogee of Darkness, sorry. We're going a lot of evil.
Well, I mean, yeah, those higher numbers are going to be more evil-leaning routes, and those lower numbers... I mean, you know what I mean. Those earlier numbers are going to be leaning heavily towards evil, because the first route is the pure evil route, and the last route is the pure good route, which means higher numbers will be leaning more towards good.
So we're at 44 of 71 A ranks.
That's good.
We've made a cross going through the middle.
That's interesting.
All the middle route stuff we have completely A ranked.
Hey, we'll take it. We'll take it.
Hero, hero, dark, hero, like...
Oh, wow. So, okay. What is your route moving forward? It's heavily evil leaning, right?
It's going from Westopolis to Digital Circuit to Cryptic Castle, which I gotta do Dark on so I have a chance to get A on Dark Cryptic Castle.
Uh-huh.
To Central City, which I go Good, which I already have an A on. To Airfleet, where I go Dark, which I have an E on.
That's the president mission, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's just figure out the easiest way to mark the president.
Yeah, so there's 3 stages here where I can get ranks.
Alright.
And Black Doom the boss I need to do as well.
Because it's probably that stupid Sonic fight you hate.
Well, it's Black Doom, it's not Sonic.
Oh. Okay.
So I actually might want to make a note of this.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was suggesting with like doing the research beforehand with the route. But I was being
it's not like it matters all too much.
No, but it would be nice to have them all done by the time we're done. That way, if we wanted to do a celebratory run of expert mode.
Sorry, I'm making notes.
I don't think anybody would fault you. Oh, good, it's a Daytona again. I wonder if I should do the bit.
You know what? I should just make notes of everything I need, not just this stuff. So,
It's been a hot minute. Oh, alright. So, moving forward when it comes to the Kobolds, there's a couple things that I might want to do. But I think specifically what I'm going to start working into is there's
you just got really quiet.
It's the Daytona bit.
Let's see. I don't know what's going on here, and I'm just playing my game.
Don't worry, the bit's over. Alright. I feel like I'm getting that pretty good, though. It's a pretty good kobold. You like that, Layla?
I like her.
Yeah. I could just expand the canvas. Just do that. That. And now there's more room for kobolds. Kobold's eyes need to be a bit further wide apart.
I wish they told you the names of the stages that you're hovering over. It's kind of unfortunate that they don't.
Ugh.
Stop list is done. Those 3 are done. Cryptic Castle only needs dark. The Doom needs hero and normal. Central City only needs dark. The Ark only needs dark. Airfleet needs all 3. Black Comet needs hero and dark. Gun Fortress needs hero and dark, so those are all set. Making sure my list is good.
It's all good. How you liking this face so far?
Sass,
Yeah, she is very sassy.
which is about right.
Yeah.
Do I not have Circus Park on this list? I do not, and I need hero for that. Net Matrix, I need hero. Death Runes, I need hero and dark. Lost Impact, I need hero and normal. Space Gadget, I just need dark. Cosmic Fall, I need hero. Do I have Cosmic Fall? There it is. Final Haunt, I need dark. Now, that looks correct. Why is it saying I'm missing 2? Screen bosses. Might be bosses. Oh, because these I've all A ranked. This is the only other one I haven't. Huh. Then I don't have the keys for everywhere either. That's gonna be its own to-do.
Oh god, yeah, because you need 5 keys for each stage.
Yep. I've only gotten all 5 in 1. 1 or 2. Might be 2. You can't hear me. Why can't you hear me? Hello?
I can hear you.
It shows my mic is picking up.
I can hear you fine. Can you hear me?
I'm responding to my chat, hun.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Well, I at least have a list figured out, even if it's not fully complete because I'm missing like 1 or 2, whatever. I'm gonna just start playing the game now.
It's all good.
Time to go evil. For most of the route besides twice.
Evil. And I think the one thing in this tutorial I'm not really following is the dual peanut shape that they want me to do. Because I do bodies my own way.
Well, Sonic's dead.
Good! That's good. Thank you, Neo. Oh. Jerry, thank you. The same ref when you draw kobolds too? Yeah.
He's a good riff.
It is. It's how I'm trying to figure out my body shapes. Figure out how to construct shit to make it look good. The defos haven't done anything today. Uh-huh. Do I need to go check on something real quick? I need to go look in the oven. Oh, dear God. Uh-huh. Oh. I got attacked twice. Horo got attacked and Novell got attacked.
Damn.
Here. My rat.
Your rat.
Oh. This was done by the person that I attacked with Horatio. Because I did this attack on Horatio. They came back with this on the last day. God damn it, I don't have time to revenge them. Oh, look at Novell though. Look at my girl.
You tinkering.
Yeah, and Sherry did this with another with a very popular pink kobold. You guys waited to the last day to put these out there, didn't you? So that way I couldn't respond and you get your points for your team.
It's good tactic.
It is a good tactic. Absolutely destroyed. Alright. Oh, give me a moment. I gotta type thank you a billion times. I hear that.
Hear what?
Somebody's subtrained. Why am I subtraining?
Get subtrained on.
What happened? Why am I getting subtrained?
Because people like you?
Wow.
Oh, I fell to my death.
Don't die.
I did. Oh, I did it again. Why can I not make that?
Ah. I have such wonderful people that I know. They're so cool. Goodness gracious. There's just a lot of really good artists out there. Oh, goodness. Artists are so freaking cool, man. Gonna hang out while you do more art fight stuff? Hell yeah. We never really gave Faye fashion wear for her feet, did we? I just put her in boots when I do have like a scene where her feet are visible when I'm drawing it.
I mean, because you don't like drawing digitigrade.
It's difficult. It like legitimately is.
I believe you. I'm no artist. Everything's difficult for me.
True. But I think you'll find something one day. I know you have certain muses. And whatever ways I can spur those muses on, I will happily do so.
Oh, what am I doing? I'm stupid.
I don't like the thing. It's like she's slipping sausages into her pocket.
That is bullshit. I love this game.
Game's bullshit being on full display again?
Always.
Sounds about right for Shadow the Hedgehog. Oh, wow. I wonder if I should ever implement one of those programs that, like, you know how there are certain, like, programs that, like, Scott uses to show where her mouse pointer is on screen with, like, a animated cartoon hand of hers?
Yeah.
I'm wondering if I should figure out how to do that kind of stuff. And so that way people know where my cursor is on this big giant screen at all times.
It's not hard because it tracks your cursor, that's all.
Yeah, it's just an overlay that sits atop my cursor and its cursor's rotation. I wonder if Faye accidentally nodded her tail at some point. It's so big. Probably looped around and done it at some point while she was asleep.
Oh, I'm sure. Long tail problems.
Mm-hmm. There. She's making an infinity symbol with her massive tail. There. There's your girl. As you...
Didn't act, though.
What? I'm just practicing with kobolds, and your ref folder was open because I had Layla's.
And I may have a few kobolds.
You might have a few friggin' kobolds. You have Azure, Layla, Faye, who else? Onyx. What was Pearlescent? Pearl, I guess technically is her name.
Vant and Ivory are their names.
Right, Vant and Ivory. Who else? Do you have more kobolds than that? Swore you did. Going into your refs folder again. I guess it's kind of cheating. As a dragon.
How did I miss? How did I miss again?
Whee!
Shadow, what the hell, my dude? That one I understand. Thank you.
And Layla and Faye next to each other, yeah, you can kind of tell that they're descendants of one another. Or one is the descendant of the other.
Oh my god. Game. Thank you.
They're making you fight for it.
That took way longer than it freaking should have.
Oh, 1 second. Little food's here.
Yes. Thank you. Appreciate you. I was given barbecue chicken. Thank you.
That is perfect timing, though, all things considered. Now I can make my food go in my stomach on the middle of the drawing. Blaze, thank you.
Hope you're doing well, Blaze. Trying to go as fast as I can.
Shadow going 70 on a 30. Like the people
This
out
one
front.
I want an A rank.
Like the people out front of our house. Is this one of those weird, you're working for Dr. Eggman is technically considered the hero mission?
No, evil.
Ah.
Camera, please. I got turned around. Trying to go fast, but being slow by being fast.
Very quickly sped up. Sorry, I'm still eating dinner. My chat.
.531, not too terrible, I feel.
Hey!
There we go. Oh, that's another A done.
Ooh. Wow, this boss is free. What the hell?
Yeah, once you get guns, like, I always get 60 bullets and then I go.
I just looked over. Because I'm still finishing up my food. Hey! Okay, sorry about that, chat.
Boy.
Oh, shoot, my favorite. I've taken my girl pill. Take another. No! I shouldn't. I mustn't. Won't. How's stream been so far? Alright. I feel like the tutorials on the right side have been very helpful in figuring out kobold heads. And getting me into a workflow with a kobold. But now I take on a challenge. Hi, Jade. It's been a minute since I drew you. I want to get good at drawing Jade. She is a kobold that I wish to know more about. For now, I shall draw her. It looks like Tamlin's style. Yes, it is Tamlin's kobold tutorial. I'm using that to kind of get a crackdown on actually getting these pretty good. With the softness that I want of my style. And then, as time goes on and I draw it more, I'll find ways to make them more mine. You know, refine the design away from the original concept that Tamlin presents, and Tamlin is a good bean? Yeah. Org 13, but with kobolds. What member of Org 13 is Azure?
It's a good question. Why do you think he would be an Org 13 member?
If he found himself in Org 13, or had an Org 13 member represent them.
All right, done.
Uh-huh.
Well, he's not Vexen, even though Vexen's fucking ice-based.
Yeah. He's not that, like, science-brained. Are there any
What sucks is the closest thing that would actually be is like if, hey, let's go.
Hey!
If, like, Donald was made into Org 13 member, because he's the only sorcerer in the game.
Yeah.
Except for fucking Jensen.
And I guess, you know, Merlin might be a bit of a sorcerer, too.
Hello, Abra lady who is streaming with Lucario boyfriend. Yes, Lucario boyfriend is currently Kobold boyfriend, but they're all still same boyfriend.
on this one. Let me look this one up real quick, because this is the R. I don't need anything except for dark vision, so I can just do neutral, which is to get aboard the arc. I love the ones that I just have to race to the finish.
Just play the stage. Have you seen the video and the official OST? I'm an ROTG watcher, only have no idea what's going on, to be honest. I'm an Abra. My boyfriend has many forums, many OCs through which he uses to be himself. One is Lucario, one is Cobalt. This is currently the Cobalt.
Yes.
I'm in a polycule with Scott and Kuro as well. They also have many forms through which they represent themselves, but primarily use, for Kuro, Noelle, her Zoroark, and for Scott, her Durg. I... One second. Bald. They will not be bald. He is not naked. Okay, he's naked, but naked does not mean bald. I can go naked. Oh, wrong hoodie button. There it goes. See? I'm not bald. I'm furry. But yes, technically my form is that of a mustard fox. It is easy to say that I am an Abra, but don't let that deceive you, lawyer from Nintendo / Pokemon Company International. I am my own independent creation. I have many features that are significantly different from the trademarked Pokemon of Abra. Please don't sue me.
Oh, alright.
Goodbye.
It just literally pushed me off.
I'm giving myself a challenge on this one because I don't know how Jade's face translates to a kobold like this. But I'm gonna figure it out. I've been pat on the head by Kuro, which means she is giving me assurance. I think Jade's eyes need to go a little bit more on the sides of her face, though. I think that'll help her face shape get a little bit better. What was that? You're fine. No. It's me just figuring out how to put that onto paper. It's not you, it's me. I'm learning. Wow. Okay, I see you doing TTRPG. You're doing art. I am learning to digi-art myself, mainly to do TTRPG fan art. Wonderful! Kobolds are the superior dragon. They are. Kobolds are lovely little menaces. It's kind of knows it like that. Honey, I have to admit something to you.
What's that?
I miss Meyer. I miss it so bad. I wish we had a store like that near us. I don't want to go to Wally World. I want to go to a Meyer. I miss the Midwest. I'm not even from there. I'm a Philadelphian.
Yeah, you like it that much, huh?
I would love to move out there. Like, legitimately, every time I'm out there, I fall in love with Michigan a little bit more.
Michigan's pretty nice.
Like, hell, like, all these years, I have been fed nothing but lies and deceit about Detroit being this absolute horrid place. When no, it's actually pretty fucking chill.
You haven't been in the part of Detroit that they're talking about.
Of course, but look, you haven't been to the parts of the Philly that I don't want to show you.
Exactly. There's bad parts of every city.
I don't think there's any city out there that has only good parts or okay parts.
I saw that key. I'm getting that key.
Nice.
Hey!
Oh.
I hit a checkpoint. It's alright. As long as I don't black out.
As long as you're alive. I want to move out of Texas. Understandable, Blaze. One of those times where I wish I had $100 billion or whatever. It was like some super lucrative, super wealth, like just buy an apartment and fill it with friends. And give them relatively cheap living conditions.
Ouch. I'll just hit that, thank you. For good reason.
Abra wishes, yeah, I do wish to be the suspiciously wealthy furry. But yeah. My ideal living place is the suburbs of a city. Not too far out, not too far in. Able to get to the rural areas pretty quickly, able to get to the city pretty quickly. That's where I like where we live right now. It's like 30 minutes and we can be out in the back o' beyond, or 30 minutes and we're in the heart of Pittsburgh.
Yeah. Which makes it pretty easy for a lot of stuff.
Oh, especially the convention scene.
Ah, the annoying blue Falcon fight.
What's an estrogen? Estrogen is the chemical I take to transform my body from dude to girl. Fun fact, estrogen as a drug has been around longer than heart surgery. Yeah, the British are pretty neat. Blue Falcon, I didn't know F-Zero was in this game. Yeah, unfortunately, just like the series, it's been destroyed. Hey! It's an A rank.
Alright, done with dinner.
I've gotten the queue. I will be back. I'm gonna go wash plates.
Evil on Black Comet, then Sonic and Diablon. You're silly. Oh, I can't skip this cutscene. That means we haven't seen this one yet. I'm playing a game. She can take my plate if I'm not paying attention all she wants. It's not my fault. Love you. Pretty sure I gotta delete all the fucking gun soldiers, yeah. I hate that so much. Oh, I love this game. Yeah, I do need dark. A rank on this. Fun. Right. I always forget this part. Ouch. It's on the other side. Of course it is. Probably not gonna get an 8. Just with how I'm doing stuff. I remember that guy at least, though. Because he's one I forgot a few times. I knew I missed him. Got him now.
Sorry about that.
You're good. I'm just trying to A-rank this place. I pressed A game. God damn it. I love when my inputs are not read and I just walk right off a cliff. That's my favorite.
I'm sorry. Game's awful with its dropped inputs. Thank you, Neo. I will stretch and save and hydrate. Ah. Oh.
I may have gotten used to the jank controls a little bit and can counter them a little bit.
That's
not a lot, but a little.
You also know when the stage is doing bullshit like that, where it's taking its sweet time to generate a pillar for you. Was already able to grab all of the Wii U's Ranger games before the eShop closed. I think Artie's library is pretty dang near complete for anything that was one of the major Nintendo franchises.
I grabbed pretty much everything I could.
You are a data archivist. You are somebody who likes having backups upon backups of your data. I appreciate that.
Really, game? Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, yeah, the Twitch Integrated Throwing Systems bot got banned. So things are kind of broken right now with that. I apologize. Okay, now it should be good. Still not picking up on chat-based things, though.
Yeah, it's still being weird with the Twitch integrated throwing system. Hmm. This is like an awkward angle for the leg.
Yeah. Finally. Hopefully that's an A. That was a lot of kills, so...
Hey!
There we go. Let's go.
Yay!
Black A rank done on Darkside. That was 3 A ranks I didn't have before. Pretty good, actually. And Sakin Diablon could be another, because I don't have an A rank on this boss either. But I don't have an easy way to fucking beat these guys. I never do. Okay, let me first find where a weapon is. Here's one. Sonic, if you could do what you're supposed to do, my dude, that'd be great. Is a 318 good enough?
I hope so.
I think it's 3:30, so I think I did it just in time. But could be 3 minutes, I don't know.
Unfortunately, it won't just let you reset it, but hey, doesn't matter.
You could still hear us while the ad's playing? Oh, that's interesting.
Huh.
Alright, that's another one down.
Woo, and a whole bunch of A ranks to join.
Spin the wheel.
It was the kind of ad that was on top of
49, the coming of the dark time.
The coming of the dark time. Couldn't have made that sound any less ominous, huh, guys?
No, not at all. It goes good, evil, neutral, evil, 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 evil.
You
A lot of evil.
start good and then go straight to hell.
Pretty much. I'm gonna actually take 5 minutes because I need to take my headset off for a second because I'm starting to get a little bit of a headache, so probably gonna take some ibuprofen and such.
It's all good.
So I'll be back in just a minute.
We are getting close to 3 hours after doing 5 hours with Scott, so maybe it might be a good idea to just...
It's up to you on that.
well, not just me. You are streaming it too, so...
Well, we gotta decide now because if I go and do this other route, then I'm locked in.
Understandable.
Technically, I can re-roll because I haven't started yet.
Do you have the strength to do another route in you?
I mean,
Do you
this
have...
one looks annoying, but it doesn't look impossible.
More so, do you have enough stamina for tomorrow? I don't want you burning out today, so you're pooped tomorrow.
Yeah, that's probably the better call, honestly.
Because, yeah, we've been live for about 3 hours. We were just live with Scott for about 5. Yeah, I'm thinking conservatively, just because I know our stamina.
Yeah, so we'll re-roll when I go again.
Yeah,
So
I'm
I can
just...
close that one, not remove it.
Yeah. I just need to put some legs on Jade, but I have no idea how to... I don't know. I feel like I did pretty well with Jade here. It's just... I could not figure out her legs for the life of me. And that's just because I gave myself a dangerously interesting, difficult challenge of a angle to do on this kobold. But she deserves pets. This kobold deserves so many pets.
Indeed.
She is such a good girl.
Yeah, look at all those A ranks.
And look at him. Slowly filling out the starboard.
Because I got the A on this boss that I needed to get.
Mm-hmm.
So now all bosses up till end bosses have A rank.
Which means you don't gotta worry about them.
Exactly.
But yeah, I wish I could spend more time on this, but I should stop for my own health and ability to do art too.
I was gonna say it's not like you can't do more art later.
Of course,
Don't
but
put yourself.
I don't wanna burn out. I have not burned out on art yet, and I don't want to start. But look at how cute she is! Oh my god, I didn't add any of the spots or anything yet, because I literally just like, you know, just getting her figured out now. Also, her head spike. Am I missing anything of major features with Jade? Her smile's a little bit more wide, I guess. Yeah. That makes her a little bit more... Yeah. I don't know. It's not like I have the person who made the OC living with me. Dating me, even.
Gas.
I know. But... that will be it for us. Thank you guys for coming out and watching tonight. Let's go find somebody to go give some love to.
Yeah.
Do you have any suggestions? Because I'm usually the one who tosses the ideas forward.
I mean, I don't see many people live, but I do see one person.
Is it a certain... I have no idea. My list isn't open.
It's a certain Wa.
Ah, a certain Wa doing raid night?
Yes.
Alright, let's give her some love. We're gonna go give a raid on over to Guildmaster Senna, who's currently doing her re-clears for M12S and all of the raids in the series. Give her some love. Thank you all for coming out and watching. It is always awesome streaming for you all. We will be live again tomorrow on Scott's channel doing more Archipelago with the community.
Absolutely, and be sure to tune in because if you missed today, boy, howdy, that was freaking nuts.
Don't worry, all of the coins that you got for free yesterday, you'll be able to get them again today for tomorrow for free as well, because it's a new session, so you'll get all of those lovely coins for free, so you can make our lives miserable again.
It wasn't miserable. It was great.
It was hilarious. I loved it.
But thank you all for sticking around, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
On this thing.
That we
Doo doo.
do 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 do
Doo 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 doo.
do 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 do.
Doo 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 doo. All right, I'm hitting the right button.